Hello students. The purpose of this presentation is to help you guys at AJHS develop an email address that you can use throughout the school year. Your learning objectives for today include using online web tools, following slide-by-slide directions, and how to present and use multiple forms of media to create documents. So what I want you to do, since you already have your laptops in front of you, is go ahead and open up Internet Explorer or Firefox. Once you have that open, in your search bar, I want you to go to google.com. Once Google opens, I want you to type in create Gmail account. You will see create Gmail account. Go ahead and click on that. What I want you to do, this is what your page should look like. So it says create your Google account. Everyone should be right here. On your first name, go ahead and type it in. I'm going to go ahead and use a student who is not here today to be able to set this up, okay? But I want you guys to still follow along. So your first name, make sure you capitalize it. So I'm putting Tim. Last name, Boone. When you choose your username, everyone's going to have the same username for their Gmail account. So it's going to be your last name followed with AJHS for Artesia Junior High or AHS for Artesia High School. You're going to still use this account when you go to the high school. Remember, we're creating a professional email account. So I want you to type your last name, lowercase, make sure it's spelled correctly, and then either AHS or AJHS at gmail.com. Go ahead and click on password. Create a password. Your password is going to be Artesia Bulldogs 2020, the year that you graduate. So capitalize the A in Artesia, ARTESIA Bulldogs, BULLDOGS 2020. Confirm password, same thing. Artesia, capitalize ARTESIA Bulldogs 2020. Go ahead and select your birthday month. Okay. Gender. And then when you go in and put in your mobile phone number, you're going to want to put in the correct cell phone number. Okay. If you do not have a cell phone number, wait till after the presentation's over and I will help you with that. So go ahead and put in the correct cell phone number, because it's going to give you a code. Put in an email address that you have already used in the past. Okay, if you do not have one that you used last year, go ahead and put in mine, kwachter@bulldogs.org. And then you're going to hit on next step. Privacy terms, I have already printed these out for you to get signed by your parents tonight. So go ahead and click agree. We will go over that here in just a minute. And then here you can see verify your account. Okay, almost finished. There's your phone number. Make sure it's the correct cell phone number. How should we send you the codes? You're going to hit text message. We cannot receive phone calls down here downstairs, okay? Just text messages through the Wi-Fi. So go ahead and hit continue. And then it should take only a few seconds, maybe a minute or two, and you guys will receive this verification code. I just received my code, so I'm going to go ahead and plug it in. It's 893428. Once you have your code plugged in, go ahead and hit continue. And it's going to go ahead and take you to this welcome screen. So congratulations, guys. You have a new email address for this year. I want you to hit continue like it said. Okay, from here, you can see personal information and privacy. That's where you guys are going to go ahead and go if you ever need to change anything. Okay, account preferences, don't click on that. Sign-in security, you're not going to need that. If you ever want to change it, just click on that middle button and you can go and change all of this information up. All right, if you want to go back to that main screen, just hit back like we've been practicing. One thing that I really want to show you guys before every single day, Up in this corner where it says Google Apps, in the right-hand corner with little grid, these are all of your options that we will be going over this school year. We don't have time right now to go over every single one, but your Gmail account is where you will be receiving emails from me. It's where you will be receiving assignments, grades, etc. Okay? Then, under your docs, this is where you're typing up all of your papers. Your papers will be done in MLA format. It is exactly like Microsoft Word that you guys have already been working on. I will help you set that up tomorrow. And then you can see this cool little button right here. It's called Google Hangouts. You will be placed in groups to go over presentations, to help with speeches, and to go over research projects. Okay, I will put you in that. It's a neat little place where you can chat online, where you can make phone calls. Super simple. At the end of every single day, what I want you to do is make sure up in this corner, you'll see your first name initial. Click on it, okay? See the sign out button. Make sure at the end of class every single day that you hit sign out. I am going to give you guys a different password that I will only have. If you do not sign out of your accounts every day, someone in the next class can go and tamper with your email. So make sure you click sign out. And then it'll exit out to where someone else can log back on. Okay? Congratulations, everyone. You now have created your Google account.